Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am here with part 2, which you were already waiting for. I hope you all have seen the part 1, and I hope all your questions are cleared. If not, you can obviously reach me out through Instagram, or you can even comment on the video and I'll respond. So let's move to the further questions that have been asked. The first is about the college. So let me talk about the timings first. So the time is mainly from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. but that totally depends upon your class. That is not a fixed rule that you'll have to come at 9 and then go at 5 or 4. You will have to come according to your classes. Maybe you do not have classes in the first half, then you'll have to come by 1 o'clock and then go by 4 or 5. That totally depends. Or maybe you don't have the class at second half, so you are free by 12. So that depends. There is no strict rule like we used to have in the schools, and this is how what it is. And about the break, the lunch time we'll get is from 12 to 12:15 to 1 o'clock, and that's the lunch time. So this was about the timings. And next I would like to talk about how is NIFT Panchkula. So the college is very good. It's quite serene and calm atmosphere. The thing is that this college is not very old. Like it's been like 4 to 5 years that it has opened, and it has fewer courses as compared to the other colleges. Like we have 3 to 4 courses for bachelors and 2 courses for PG students. So the number of students is less. That is why the atmosphere is quite calm. बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं है, बहुत बच्चे नहीं हैं. It is very calm and peaceful, so you can concentrate, you can roam here and there. बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं होती, except the भीड़ during the lunch break in the canteen. It's really crowded, I would say, sometimes. So this is, and rest the college is good. Infrastructure बहुत ही अच्छा है. You must have seen in the videos, my videos or other videos, and if you have visited the college or when you'll come for the orientation, you'll of course witness the infrastructure is nice and greenery hai, and everything is very good. So, and life is like, if you make friends, if you make good friends is all you need in college life, I would say. Apart from the academics, friends bhi zaruri hai. So you make good friends, you'll have best life, and it would be, coming to Panchkula would be worth it. And rest, you're coming for the academics and all, so that is worth it. You have been selected, you have been allotted this campus, you have chosen this campus, so it's all worth it. It's all worth your mehnat. Next I would like to talk about the people here. The people are very good. The seniors are friendly. It would be very good to talk to people, and they are really helpful. So आपको किसी चीज़ की चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Everything is fine. So this was what about the college I had talked. And now let's move to academics. Many questions about academics. How is TD? How is FC? How is FD? So the faculty is very good of all the courses, TD, FC and FD. I am from TD, and the faculty is very good. The course is also very interesting, so you must have chosen your course according to your interest, and if it is for your interest, you have chosen according to your interest, you'll surely love it. And the course is good, yeah, the teachers is good, also the curriculum. So curriculum is same for all the NIFT. सभी NIFT के लिए same curriculum आता है. The teachers also gets transferred from one place to another. So mainly सभी NIFT का आसपास वही same ही रहता है. And for TD the faculty is good. FC also बहुत अच्छा है, and that's it. So you don't worry about it कि कैसा है, FC अच्छा होगा नहीं होगा. तो करिकुलम वैसे ही है. फैकल्टी भी ट्रांसफ़र होते रहते इधर उधर से दूसरे निफ्ट कैंपसेस से. सो ओवरऑल सारे जो निफ्ट कैंपसेस है सभी इक्वली गुड है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. एंड now we have talked about the academics, and now I would like to talk about what else are there in the college, like amenities in the college. So you have a medical room, you can always go there to the medical room, and we have gym. You can join the gym if you want. It's open in the morning, and then in the evening also, so you have an instructor there, you can go there. And there's a resource center, you can always go to the resource center for any other information, for any information regarding the course. And next we have the Mac labs. You have the IT labs, where you'll be taken, like there is a subject in the first year called something which is related to Photoshop, Illustrator and all those things. So you'll be taken to those labs, and you can try the Photoshop, Illustrator, work on that, work there, or you can install it in your own laptop also. So during our time, the Mac labs and IT labs were not opened yet, so we had installed it in our own laptops and we're doing through. But you can go to those labs if you don't have installed in your laptop. And so this was about the amenities you have. Also the canteen you have, which is open till 5:30 or 6, or maybe 6:30. So you can go and have food. You have chips, beverages and various other things, so you can go choose upon, pay to them, and then you can take them. So now I have talked about the canteen. Next I would like to talk about the orientation. So orientation is where you come to the college, you get familiar with the campus, you get familiar with the friends, new friends, you get familiar with the seniors, and this is what happens in the orientation. So पहले तो जान पहचान होती है, who is your faculty, who is the faculty of different courses, and seniors कौन कौन है, क्या क्या clubs है, and what are the scholarships that are available. तो बहुत सारे scholarships है, and you will be introduced to all those, and then you'll be told about the deadlines and everything, and then you have to fill according to that. उसके बाद you will be allotted your rooms orientation वाले दिन. जो hostel वाले बच्चे हैं, they will be allotted the rooms and the partners, so you can go to the hostel and then check कि कैसा है hostel, कैसा room है and all that. And there will be various dance performance, cultural programs, games होंगे orientation में. Also if you have talent like dance है, singing है, stand up है, या कुछ भी, you have a talent, you can always go on the stage and show your talent to them. So that would be a plus point कि हाँ, if there is any future program, then you will be selected for that कि हाँ ये बच्चा डांस अच्छा करता था, तो we'll take him or take her for dance वाले program and all. So you can show your talents. So ये होता है orientation में. Also one thing that if you make great contacts with the senior, that would be really helpful, because assignments में help हो जाएगी, academics में help हो जाएंगी, and थोड़ा suggestions तुम्हें मिल जाएगा कि क्या क्या है नहीं है. So orientation is basically for that. You can make friends with the seniors, so that would be easy for the whole year. Now one main question, that is placements. So placements कैसे हैं? So placement at the NIFT campus is centralized as in that the various companies will approach NIFT and you will be given a choice कि ये companies है. You will have to apply to all those companies according to your CGPA and all, and फिर जो भी उनका procedure है, the form filling and portfolio submission and वो सब आपको करना पड़ेगा. And those companies will come for interview in various campuses like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata और other campuses as well. जो भी campus में आना है, they'll come and on those campuses, and जिस भी company ने आपने अप्लाई किया होगा एंड वो कंपनी मान लीजिए अगर दिल्ली में आ रहा है, तो you'll have to go to the Delhi campus to give the interview. So जितने भी बच्चे all over India would have applied for that company will come to Delhi to give that interview. So ऐसे होते हैं centralized. So there is no mentioning कि ये पंचकुला से है या ये दिल्ली से है, ये मुंबई से है, ये कांगड़ा से है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So the placement is centralized. And this year TD का first batch was graduated and they got placed at various companies. Even MFM, MDes के भी placements हुए, FD के भी placements हुए, and they are all put up in NIFT पंचकुला का ऑफिशियल इंस्टाग्राम पेज. यू कैन हैव अ लुक कि कौन कौन से कंपनीज आए थे, कौन कौन से बच्चे किस पे हुए हैं. So not all the students have got placed because some student wanted to study further. For bachelors they wanted to go for PG or something other. So many of them had not applied for the placements for the companies. So जो जिन्होंने अप्लाई किया था, जिन्होंने प्लेसमेंट जिनका हो गया, जिनका इंटरव्यू अच्छा गया, जो सिलेक्ट हो गए, उनका हुआ है एंड दे हैव बीन पुट अप इन द ऑफिशियल. यू कैन ऑलवेज गो एंड चेक ऑन टू दैट. सो ये था. एंड सो प्लेसमेंट्स आर गुड एंड सेंट्रलाइज, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. जस्ट गिव योर बेस्ट. अच्छे मार्क्स लाने हैं, अच्छा काम करना है, and that will ultimately give you a fruitful result, that will ultimately give you a good placement, a good job. So this is, so don't worry about that. And next I would like to talk about is आसपास क्या है. So आसपास we have like, हमें कुछ भी चीज़ के लिए हमें प्रिंट आउट्स की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. प्रिंटर इज़ अ वेरी मेन थिंग. ऑब्वियसली हमारे पास तो होगा नहीं, हम रख नहीं सकते प्रिंटर वहाँ पे. सो वी हैव, हम वहाँ पे कॉलेज में एक वेंडर भी आता है हु प्रोवाइड्स विद द प्रिंट आउट्स एंड विद ऑल द स्टेशनरीज. सो दैट इज़ गुड. यू कैन ऑलवेज गो टू दैट वेंडर एंड यू कैन बाई. वो कॉलेज के अंदर ही होते हैं एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज गो एंड बाई. अगर उनके पास सामान नहीं है, यू गिव देम ऑर्डर, ही विल ब्रिंग इट नेक्स्ट डे. तो उनका नंबर ज़रूर रख लेना. एंड देयर आर ऑल्सो अदर प्रिंट आउट एंड स्टेशनरी शॉप्स नियर बाई. सेक्टर 23 का जो मार्केट है, वहाँ पे देयर इज़ अ शॉप who does the printouts, who also provides with the stationeries. फिर ग्रोसरी भी आसपास वहीं पे है. एंड फॉर द वेजिटेबल्स ऑल्सो देयर इज़ अ पर्सन हु इज़ देयर इन सेक्टर 23 वाला मार्केट हु सेल्स वेजिटेबल्स. एंड वैसे तो वेजिटेबल्स वाले भैया आते हैं इधर, मतलब ठेला लेके घूमने की कुछ सब्ज़ी वगैरह लेने हैं तो हर गली में. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज go there if you're living in a flat and if you are cooking, so you can always get the vegetables from there. And also खाने पीने के लिए like some fast food or something, sector 23 में there is a अड्डा for the Niftians. सारे Niftians like we go in the evening, sit there, have chill, meet different people and friends है, सब आ जाते वहीं पे, थोड़ा बहुत खा पी के, चाय पी के, मोमोज वगैरह खा के, फास्ट फूड खा के, and then we return back to our work. सो वहाँ पे खाने पीने की भी चीज़ें हैं. एंड फॉर अदर थिंग्स लाइक ड्राई क्लीनिंग है या कुछ भी, अगर सैलून जाना है, हेयर कट वगैरह कुछ भी करवाना है, तो सेक्टर 25 का मार्केट है. दैट्स अ क्वाइट अ बिग मार्केट. तो आप वहाँ जा सकते हो. वहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल है, फ्रॉम स्टेशनरीज टू ड्राई क्लीनिंग टू द सैलून्स एंड एवरीथिंग. फास्ट फूड वगैरह सब वहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. तो सेक्टर 25 का मार्केट इज़ नियर बाय. यू कैन गो बाय एन ऑटो. वहाँ आप जा सकते हो एंड सारी चीज़ें वहाँ मिल जाएंगी. एंड नेक्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट इज़ और क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं लाइक घूमने लायक. सो देयर इज़ रॉक गार्डन. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड, चंडीगढ़ में है रॉक गार्डन है, रोज़ गार्डन है, म्यूज़ियम्स है. तो यू कैन गो देयर. चंडीगढ़ में है, सेक्टर 1 में है एंड अदर सेक्टर्स में भी है. तो फर्स्ट ईयर में the college will be taking you to rock garden, rose garden for various projects and for various subjects. हम वहाँ जाते हैं, वहाँ रिसर्च करते हैं, घूमते हैं. तो you will be taken to those places. और अगर आपको खुद भी विज़िट करना है, you can of course go there and visit. एंड कैफ़ेज़ है, चंडीगढ़ है तो कैफ़ेज़ तो होंगे ही. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कैफ़ेज़ है, फूड भी बहुत अच्छा है. पंचकुला में भी है, चंडीगढ़ में भी है. यू कैन ऑलवेज़ गो. एंड चंडीगढ़ बहुत ज़्यादा तो दूर है नहीं. इट्स लाइक मोहाली, चंडीगढ़, पंचकुला, दे आर ट्राई सिटी. सो आसपास ही है सब. तो यू कैन गो देयर. एंड कॉलेज के आसपास द एरिया इज़ डेवलपिंग. घर बन रहे हैं. मेनली यू विद से इट्स अ निफ्ट कॉलोनी. जो भी आता जाता है सब आपकी जान पहचान के ही दिख जाएंगे. हाँ, ये कॉलेज का है, वो कॉलेज का है, बिकॉज मैक्सिमम पीपल आर देयर फ्रॉम निफ्ट. सब वहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं एंड वहीं घर ले रहे हैं. तो इट्स ऑल इट, सब जान पहचान के हैं. एरिया इज़ डेवलपिंग. देयर इज़ अ गुरुद्वारा पास में एंड दैट इज़ वेरी गुड. यू शुड श्योरली विजिट देयर. एंड पारस हॉस्पिटल भी है, अदर मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ भी है. सो everything is good and feasible. सब आस पास है. everything is gonna be very great, so don't worry. The courses are very good, the placement is nice, the atmosphere is calm and serene, and you'll make good friends. And also stay in contact with your seniors. That is one main thing, because they will be really helpful for you, to guide you and to tell you various things. So that is what it is. I hope I have cleared all your questions and all your confusions. If you have any other confusions or other queries, you can always comment in the video, or you can reach me out through my Instagram. I have mentioned my Instagram ID on this video, and you can always message me there. And so bye bye, and please like, share and subscribe to the video, and don't forget to like this video please if it helped you. Okay, so bye bye, and let's meet in the college.